Two-way control makes operating the Baby Swing flexible and easy. There are many products available to choose Baby Simple Sway Swing, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Baby Simple Sway Swing form reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graco Simple Sway Swing. About this item. Gentle, side-to-side swaying motion soothes and comforts baby. 6 swing speeds allow you to find the right pace for baby. Deep, plush seat and head support keep baby cozy and comfortable. Small frame design fits easily anywhere in your home. 2-speed vibration further comforts your little one. Number 2. Graco Duet Connect LX Swing and Bouncer. About this item. Swing seat removes to double as a portable bouncer. 6 swinging speeds allow you to find the right setting to calm baby. Roomy seat with recline and head support keep baby cozy. 2-speed vibration further comforts your little one. 10 melodies and 5 soothing sounds to calm and amuse your baby. Number 3. Baby Swing for Infants, Electric Bouncer for Babies. About this item. Our infant swing come with 5 different swing speeds, so you could find the right soothing pace to quickly calm and relax your baby. Touch panel and remote control two-way control makes operating the Baby Swing flexible and easy. Parents can select the desired preset lullabies and timer setting of 8, 15 or 30 minutes. Bluetooth music player. This baby rocker for infants has 10 preset lullabies. It also allows you to play your baby's favorite soothing songs or nursery rhymes from your phone, offering peaceful or joy moments for your little one. Ultra soft removable seat pad and headrest, made of high-quality soft fabrics for ultimate comfort on at home, and they are machine washable and reversible for convenience. 2 plush toys included. Great for any newborn. This newborn swing is featured with 3-point safety harness, 3 seat positions, plug and power, for babies 0-12 months or up to 24 pounds. Number 4. 4 Moms Mama Roo 4 Multimotion Baby Swing. About this item. This Mama Roo 4 Multimotion Baby Swing includes a safety strap fastener, 5 unique motions and 5 speeds, 4 built-in sounds and MP3 compatible, Bluetooth enabled, control motion and sound from your compatible smart device. Includes interactive toy mobile with reversible toy balls and adjustable seat recline. Number 5. Baby Swing for Infants. About this item. 5 amplitudes for baby swings for infants. JL Electric Baby Swing is finished with 5 different swing amplitudes. To better protect your newborn baby's safety, the swing level between each amplitude is designed to be a very gradual difference. 3 timing settings baby swings. In order to save your time and energy, we have designed a 3-stage timing function. You are convenient to set the time to 8 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes with one button. Bluetooth enable and touchscreen, remote control operation, features 10 preset lullabies, auto-off timer design, Bluetooth and USB connectivity options are available, and you can play the music whatever you want. This thoughtful design allows parents to have their own space and free their hands. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.